Binch Akara. Beans. A side dish from Sierra Leone. Serves 4. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. Soak the beans for about 2 hours and remove the skin. Step 2. Grind the beans into a smooth paste. Step 3. Chop the onion and pepper finely, then blend into the bean mixture and beat for about 5 minutes. Step 4. Add salt to taste. Beat thoroughly for about 5 minutes. Step 5. Add beaten eggs to improve food value and to make the mixture light if desired. Step 6. Heat the cooking oil, groundnut oil or palm oil, and fry tablespoonfuls of the mixture until golden brown. Step 7. Drain on absorbent paper. Step 8. Serve hot or cold. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.